because you can't do it.
That's dead.
Let me do it.
It's dead. It's dead.
Huh?
It's dead.
Is it?
Oh my god. Oh, Ben! You need this, bro! Bro, they're shots, bro! Ben needs it, we can like this.
What, shots how?
Huh?
Shots how?
It doesn't work, it doesn't turn on.
That's convenient, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yo, check it. This is a Red Bull of celebration. I think it's gloves off for this one. What are you saying? Anyway, Porsche jig work is done. The new chassis legs are on. The new quarter panels on. The new floors in. Well, it's like a complete section. You've got. Yo, check this out, man. I mean, look at that. First of all, if that isn't worth driving to Germany for, I don't know what is. Anyway, the spoiler's on. Check it. Everything's new. Come in, step into my office. Look at this. It's all been replaced, man. Obviously, if you remember or not, both chassis legs were. No, that chassis leg was pushed across. Insert right now. This chassis leg was completely torn away. It was absolutely obliterated. But check it out, man. Let's have a little walk through it and have a look. Let me just crack open my Red Bull. For anyone saying that's not done properly, you're going to get critics, of course. Spot welds, exactly like factory, in the exact right locations. Check it out. Our spot welds. Look at follow through with the original factory spot welds.
Dot to dot.
Dot to dot. With the same current going through them, everything by Porsche specs. Dude, even the glue we got for this was from Porsche. For like 6 times the price, but we do everything OE spec. Check it out here, check it out here. Look where the floor, sort of the boot floor and then the rear seat area meets with the floor, the original here. Look at that. Even these rivets are from Porsche. So anyone's going to try and say that this ain't like original, or it's going to be this, it's going to be that, it's going to do this and that in a crash. This one is better than it came out from Porsche. You want to know why? Because Nemesis did it. They didn't believe in us. Porsche did. Closer, everything's been bonded with the Porsche supplied bonding that they use, because a lot of cars, believe it or not, nowadays are glued on. The panels are glued on, so you have to weld where you have to weld, you have to spot weld where you have to spot weld, you have to bond where you have to bond, you have to rivet where you have to rivet. But check it, we do all of that. God, dude! Look at that, new panel, bit of a defect, ain't no thing, we're gonna take care of it. So anyway, it's gonna come off the jig now. We're gonna obviously get this all ready for paint, get it into the spray booth. This will be the first car that goes in the new spray booth with the lift in there. Get it painted up. All the undercarriage, all the inside. The interior's still not back yet, it's been sent away. More red. We'll say nothing else. More red. Like the bloods, bruv. The game style. So my initial plan was put the interior in first, and then we're going to put the engine and drivetrain, all of that in, the way it's looking now. As soon as this is done, because Oz is on me, make that all, you know, make it turn into a car again. Engine, gearbox, drivetrain, subframe, everything else. However, what we are going to do, and what I don't like, is the original Porsche paint. I'm sorry, Porsche, your car is effing amazing, but this paint isn't. The only reason why I'm guessing really little lacquer, because I don't want to keep it lightweight. We're gonna strip it down. Although half the car needs painting, obviously we blend that way or whatever, but we're gonna do the whole car again. Loads of lacquer. Go black. Oz wants it black, and I can't disagree with that. It's my favourite colour on the car. It's just badass. Later on down the line, we might play with some wraps. We might put some satin PPF on it. Blah blah blah. But for now, it needs to be real nice, glossy black, but with no ripple in there, no orange peel, no nothing, no defects. So, which is weird because, you know, it's untouched, to be fair. But that's not good enough for us. We're gonna raise the bar a little bit more. You know, when I was taking it apart, it all seemed so easy. So Yeah, man. Hell, has I done any more pictures? And now, I'm thinking, yo, G, what happened? How? I think I'm gonna do an AC delete on this car. I just want to keep it lightweight. Yeah, that's right. Oh, what's gone wrong? Oh dear. Oh yes, Saved by the Bell.